Oh, that's Miss Flores. You live in South Bend?
No, I currently live here. Yeah.
Here as in where?
Three Rivers.
Okay. Oh. We get these cell phone. The first one, no, that's the second one. Is alleged to have occurred in the city of Three Rivers. Main Street ladies by stealing cash. Your charge is a second habitual offender, making this punishable by up to 6 years imprisonment. That allegedly occurred on August 9th. He entered the building with someone's card and stole a bag of money, allegedly. And there's video of this. $500 cash. Now it says here you have 3 priors for armed robbery, receiving, concealing, but that isn't charged on the complaint. So that's the August allegation. The October allegation.
I think that's a clerical error, Your Honor.
What's that?
3 priors.
It might be because they did, that was what in the affidavit. It was not in the prosecutor didn't charge it, so it might be a mistake. This is alleged to be at Walmart. All right. August 26th. All right, you want preliminary examinations on both of those matters? I guess you're entitled to have it. One, it looks like you confessed, and the other one looks like there's a video, but we'll.
Your Honor, place on the record, there was an offer made of 1 count of larceny in a building, no habitual, and 1 file with restitution on both. So we'd be getting a deal, 1 whole case would be dismissed as well as the habitual offender. If he wants a preliminary exam, that offer would be revoked and there would be no further negotiations on the file. The circuit court, as you indicated, he did confess in at least one of the cases. So he's putting himself at a significant disadvantage.
All right, you can discuss that with your attorney as the week goes through.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
There was never a confession made to any of the alleged.
I was taken to TRPD and interviewed by Sam Smolcom. Duchatelier admitted finding the phone in Walmart, not returning it. Said he was going to bring the phone back, but it got stolen from him.
Finding a phone is not taking a phone, Your Honor.
All right, well, we'll find out. Stop. Don't say
manipulation.
more about it. All right, preliminary examination. Let me see if I've got an address for you. Portage Avenue. Is that where you are now?
201 Portage Avenue?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Both cases set for prelim, November 18th, 25 at 1 o'clock. Looks like we're going to be busy that day. If you do have the prelim, as Mr. O'Bear said, all plea offers are withdrawn. I'm not sure where that armed robbery stuff that was in the affidavit, but it wasn't charged that way. If they can find it, they probably put additional habituals on there. Are you on probation or parole anywhere?
Not currently, Your Honor.
Not now?
No.
All right, I'll see you next Tuesday at 1 o'clock.
Thank you.
Well, if you want to talk to someone about that, if you like this.
Oh, okay. My nose is sore. All right, back to Ms. Strong. Antonio Wilson, would you come forward, please? Jumped around on me. Good morning. We've met, but are you Antonio Wilson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Here with your lawyer, Casey Strong. Mr. Wilson, you're charged with malicious destruction of property over 1,000, but less than 20,000, and assault with a dangerous weapon. That is alleged to have occurred on April 18th in Lockport Township. It's alleged that you destroyed a window cabinet countertop that belonged to Christopher Moorsman and Linda Bennett. That's a felony. It's punishable by up to 5 years imprisonment and a fine of up to $10,000. And it's alleged that you made an assault upon Christopher Bennett with a dangerous weapon, a brick. That's felonious assault. It's punishable by up to 4 years imprisonment.
Your Honor, I'd like,
Mr. Robert is here, along with your lawyer, Ms. Strong. Apparently, this is being reduced to a misdemeanor charge.
Yes, the offer is for the defendant to enter a plea to MDOP 200 to 1,000. We have no objection with him being placed on a higher probation.
And dismiss the assault charge.
Correct.
You agree, Ms. Strong?
That is the offer, Your Honor, yes.
I was a little unclear about this. Oh, there's the affidavit. All right, it's alleged that you were at Puma Drive, which is in Tamarack and Lockport Township. Who lives there?
Christopher.
And he lives there with his girlfriend Daisy.
Well, he just jumps back and forth from my house to his house,
Okay.
and she just follows him wherever back and forth.
Where do you live?
60899 Arthur L. Jones Road, my mom's house.
Okay. Who lives at this Puma Drive address?
His mom.
Okay. All right. So what happened this day? Did you get in an argument with him?
Oh no, my sister called me crying, saying that her
Daisy's your sister, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
little sister, and she called me crying and stuff, saying that her boyfriend hit her, beat her, or whatever. Then I was with my mom at the time, and then she called my mom, so we went and picked her up, and we were just gonna go get her clothes and stuff from his house, but the door was locked. But when I picked her up, she had marks and crying and stuff, like she had marks all over. Then we went to go get her stuff. Then he was you could hear him at the window, but you couldn't see him at the window, but he was just laughing and stuff while she's trying to get in. And then after she threw the brick at the car, I picked up the same brick and threw it at the window. I didn't know he was standing there though.
It shows Antonio damaging the car doors. Now the complaint says a window, cabinet, and countertop. So the brick must have John Christopher Moorsman and Linda Bennett. So that's his mom is Linda Bennett.
I guess.
So it was their house. All right, I certainly see why this is being turned into a misdemeanor. But I'm gonna need some more information before I do this. Do we have a restitution amount yet?
No, Your Honor.
And the guy's older than me.
Wait a while, you'll be older than everybody else. I think I'm older than everybody else in this building. I'm not sure how that happened. I'm older than everybody else by some. Well, let's see, Ms. Strong, you can't ever come to court on days when we hold court, so let's see if we can find a place to put this.
Hey, you can tell Ty and John about Mondays, but they need me on Mondays.
You're not as bad as someone who should remain nameless named Rhonda I. She's very hard to schedule.
I try not to be hard to schedule, but
Well, just because she jets off to the Caribbean every other week.
Yes, that has,
I'm just a prisoner of the 8th
that
District
has
Court on
something to do with
Mondays.
it. It seems to me I've got you scheduled for a Wednesday in the immediate future.
Yes, we scheduled, I believe it's December 3rd
That should
at
work
11
out good.
o'clock.
Yes, Caleb Evink
Yes,
and
and
Sylvester
Sylvester Moore.
Moore. All right, let's set this, it's gonna be a busy morning, but we'll set for sentencing December 3rd. At 11. Mr. Wilson, you've got a couple of unpaid speeding. You got a no insurance, speeding, and failing to yield. You owe $820 worth of unpaid traffic tickets.
It's 600 now.
Okay, so you've been paying on it? All right, very good. I saw you paid your other stuff. We'll see how you do with that. This probably seemed like the thing to do at the time. You were probably angry. He's in there. Problem is, the stuff you broke didn't belong to him.
Yeah.
But I certainly understand. Now, we'll talk about HITE, stands for Holmes Youthful Trainee Act. It's a kind of probation. If you successfully complete it, it wouldn't show up as a conviction on your record. We'll talk about that at the time of the sentence. All right, don't get any more trouble and stay away from this guy until we sort this out. Yes,
He
go ahead.
lives at my house.
Oh, he lives at your house?
Yeah, he's been at my house since the incident. Because this incident was at the beginning of the year.
So he lives where you live. He's back with your sister.
I thought
All
we
right.
kind of kicked this under the rug.
All right, well then I'm not gonna deal with that. I'm not gonna make you move out because he moved in with your sister. Don't get any other disturbance with him.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, please.
Mhm.
I think maybe your sister could do better. All right, you're good to go.
You're all set.
All right, thank you.
And then, do you need him to check in with the counter to set up?
He's on a payment plan. He's been paying on his
Are
other
you gonna
stuff.
do a PSI? Does he need to? meet
No,
with
I just
probation?
want the police report, victim input, and the restitution of figure.
So no probation meeting, just sentencing and also this one again.
All right, thank
You're good to
you.
go.
I don't.